Hello there, my name remains Oladapo and I welcome you to the Global Tutor virtual class. Still on our UTME mathematics revision. In this video class, I want us to solve questions on logarithm from the past question. Shall we begin? Look at this question from the past question. The question says log base 2 4 plus log base 4 2 minus log base 25 5. The question asks us to simplify this. How do we simplify that? Let's quickly apply the laws. Now, if you notice in this question, we have 4. 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 2. We have 25. 25 is also the same thing as 5 raised to power 2. Now, if you apply the laws, you're going to have log base 2 to the power of 2 plus. Now, if you want to change base to number, the law says you say 1 over. So we have 1 over log. The number now becomes the base. So this will now become 2. Remember, 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 2. Then minus. We also want to change the number to base. So we have 1 over. This will now become log base 25, base 5. Then 25 is 5 to the power of 2. So from here, according to the law, we can now say 2 log base 2 plus 1 over 2 log base 2 minus 1 over 2 log base 5 5. So from here now, we can say we have 2 brackets 1, since the number and the base are equal, plus 1 over 2 bracket 1, since the number and the base are equal, minus 1 over 2 bracket 1, since the number and the base are equal. So finally we have 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2. Plus half minus half will give us 0. So the final answer to that question will be 2. That is the solution to this question from the past question in that year. That is how you solve it. Let us solve another question from the past question. Let us solve another question. Look at this question. The question says log base 2 8 plus log base 2 16 minus log base 2 4. The question says we should simplify. Now, if you look at it, the bases are 2, but the numbers are 8, 16, 4. But all these numbers can be expressed in form of 2. We know that 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 3. So we can write and say we have log base 2, 2 raised to power 3 plus log 16 is 2 raised to power 4 minus log, and 4 is 2 raised to power 2. So what do we have? We have 3 log base 2 plus 4 log base 2 minus 2 log base 2. So the number and the base are equal. So you have this one will be 1, this one will be 1, this one will be 1. So let us save time. We have 3 times 1, that will give me 3, plus 4 times 1, that will give me 4, minus 2 times 1, that will give me 2. So 3 plus 4 will give me 7. 7 minus 2 will give me 5. So we can say the final answer is 5. That is the answer to the question from the past question. If you go through your past question, you will see the questions that I'm solving. I intentionally did not quote the years so that you can do the search by yourself. Let us take another question. The question says log base 3 27 minus log base 4 64 divided by log base 3 1/81. Now the question wants us to simplify this. How do we do that? Okay, let's start. We have log base 3. 27 is the same thing as 3 raised to power 3 minus log base 4. 64 is the same thing as 4 raised to power 3. Everything divided by log base 3. 1/81 is the same thing as 81 raised to power minus 1. And 81 itself is 3 raised to power 4. So you have 3 raised to power minus 4. 3 raised to power minus 4. So if we solve this, we're going to have 3 log 3 minus 3 log 4 divided by minus 4 log 3. Now if the numbers and the base are equal, then it will be 1. So meaning you have 3 times 1, 3, minus 3 times 1, 3. Everything divided by minus 4. So the final answer would be 0 for this question, because 3 minus 3 will give me 0. And minus 4, 0 over minus 4 will give me 0. But note, if it was minus 4 over 0, the answer will have been undefined. The answer will have been undefined. Let us solve another question. This question is quite interesting. The question says we should find the value. Look at the question. Find the value of log base 10 1/40. Find the value of log base 10 1/40. We were now told in the question that log base 10 4 is the same thing as 0.6021. They now want us to apply this in finding log base 10 1/40. Let us apply the law. Log base 10 1/40 is the same thing as log base 10 40 raised to power minus 1. Now it means we have minus 1 bracket log base 10 40. Now you will agree with me that 40 is the same thing as 4 times 10. So meaning I can have minus 1 bracket log base 10 4 times 10. Close the brackets. So from here I can have minus 1 bracket log base 10 4. The law says if we multiply, we add the logarithm. So that is log 10, 10. Now, according to the question, minus 1 bracket, what is log 4? Log 4 is 0.6021. Then what is log 10, 10? Plus 1, because the number and the base are equal. So if you do this, you're going to have minus 1 bracket 1.6021. So if you multiply it by minus 1, you're going to have minus 1.6021. That will be the answer to this question. And that will be the end of this video class. Watch out for more solution on logarithm in my next video class. So long, success. Remember, like our video, follow our channel. God bless.